Hi, it's Terasa Thompson L with All Web LLC and a quick social media moment to answer a client's question about the difference between posts and pages as it relates to WordPress. And this WordPress tutorial is brought to you by WP101.com. I just love my membership with them. Now that you're familiar with the WordPress dashboard, you're ready to start creating and publishing your content. So in this video, we're going to look at posts and pages. Before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between the two, and to do that, we're going to look at our sample website, which is using the current theme from WordPress code 2016. This theme is ideal for creating a clean, modern blog, and when it's fully set up, it could look something like this. On the left-hand side is the content area, and on the right, an optional sidebar containing several widgets. The navigation menu at the top makes it easy to find important pages in the site. And of course, this theme is responsive, which means it automatically resizes your content to fit smaller devices like tablets and mobile phones. Now, this theme is primarily intended to be used as a blog, so by default, the home page displays blog posts in chronological order. But you can also create static pages like this about page or any other page in the navigation menu. And if you like, you can use any page to serve as the home page of your site instead of a blog. I'll show you what I mean by switching to another example site. Now, this site is still using the default 2016 theme, but I've customized the colors and added a background image, which I'll demonstrate for you in a later video. On this site, I've selected this static page to serve as the home page, so it's the first page visitors will see when they come to the site. Then I moved the blog to its own dedicated page and added a link to the blog within the navigation menu. If you like, you can omit the blog altogether and build a site made up of only pages. This particular layout makes it a little easier to see the difference between posts and pages. Pages are typically used for static content or content that doesn't change very often. Pages are typically used in your site's navigation menu, which is usually located at or near the top of the site. Good examples of commonly used static pages are the about or contact pages that you may have seen on other sites. Posts, on the other hand, are blog entries or articles, and these are typically sorted chronologically with the newest posts at the top. Unlike pages, posts can be assigned to categories, making it easier for your readers to find related blog posts within the same category. In general, it's a good idea to include a blog in your site strategy, but you're not limited to only displaying blog posts on your home page. As you can see, WordPress allows you to use a combination of static pages and blog posts.